Do you struggle to remember the names of the books of the Old Testament in order? You're not alone! Many people find it challenging to memorize this list. But with the right technique, it can be easy and even enjoyable. In this video series, I'm gonna show you how to remember the 39 names of the books of the Old Testament in order, using the Giraffe Memory technique. This method is designed to make memorization easy and fun, so you can recall the information effortlessly. No prior knowledge of the Bible or memory techniques is required.
Will do!
Major system.
Visualize.
Associate effectively. Talking crazily.
Compassion, creativity, curiosity.
This is part 02 of the series, and we will focus on book 11 to book 20.
Let's move.
Book 11 is First Kings. Book 11 is First Kings. First Kings sounds like king or crown. Major system for 11. One is Toad. One is Toad. So I chose Toad for 11. Imagine a giant toad wearing a royal crown, sitting on a throne and declaring himself the one king. Picture the toad's regal pose and shiny crown to make the image memorable again. Imagine a toad wearing a royal crown, sitting on a throne and declaring himself the one king. Picture the toad's regal pose and shiny crown to make the image memorable. Question in. What is book 11 of the Old Testament? Answer it. First King.
Let's move on.
Book 12 is Second Kings.
Let's move well.
Second King sounds like twin crowns. Major system for 12. One is Thor. D2 is Ark. So I chose Dune for 12. Imagine two crown kings standing on a giant dune, their crowns gleaming in the sun as they declare two kings. Picture the sandy hill and the twin crowns to make the image memorable. Book 13 is First Chronicles. Sounds like chronicle or time. Major system for 41 is tier. D3 is M. So I chose time for 13. Imagine a giant clock ticking beside a huge book labeled First Chronicle. Hear the ticking and see the book's cover to make the image memorable. Next 14 is Second Chronicles. Chronicles sounds like twin chronicles. Major system for 41 is TD. 4 is R, so I chose tie for 14. Picture two tires rolling across open books called Second Chronicles. See the spinning tires and the open books to make the image memorable. Ezra sounds like zebra.
Ezra.
Let's move it to honest or D. 5 is N, 12 stall for 50. Imagine a dog riding a zebra shouting Ezra. Picture the dog's excitement and the zebra stripes to make the image memorable. Nehemiah sounds like knee or necktie. Major system for 16. 1 is store D. 6 is short so I chose tissue for 16. Picture a tissue used to wipe neon paint off a knee, saying Nehemiah. See the bright colors and the tissue in action to make the image memorable. 17 is Esther. Sounds like Easter or star. Major system for 71 is Q. D7 is K or G, so I chose looking for 4 and G. Whacking or an Easter star, shouting Esther. See the duck and the shining star to make the image memorable. Sounds like Job or joystick. Major system for 81 is the 87 for V, so I chose the for 18. Picture a dove applying for a job with a joystick in hand, saying Job. Oh, see the dove's determination and the joystick to make the image memorable. Sounds like Pro Bible knows. Major system for 22. I saw her saying I chose knows the one key. In Proverbs, saying Proverbs. Similarly, you can create vivid and memorable images for the remaining books of the Old Testament using the same technique. Before we get started, make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a video from Giraffe Memory.